During Operations Desert Shield, Desert Storm, and Enduring Freedom, commanders faced a very real threat that chemical weapons would be used. As troops prepared to mobilize, concerns continued to escalate. Were our protective masks fitted and functioning properly? Soldiers wanted to know that they were adequately protected against a chemical attack. Until Desert Shield, Desert Storm, the only practical way of verifying that your mask was the correct size and functioning properly was to use a subjective test. Tests based upon our response to an odor such as N-amyl acetate, also known as banana oil, or a respiratory irritant such as stannic chloride rely on your sense of smell. However, individuals may respond differently to the same smell. This type of test works to some degree and is used if no other means are available, but does not provide the kind of assurance soldiers and commanders need. We have a more effective method of ensuring that our masks are providing adequate protection with the M41 Protection Assessment Test System, or PATS. The quantitative tests performed by this system provide an accurate measure of the quality of the mask to face seal, which validates that you have a correctly fitted mask and the mask is functioning properly at the time of the test. The M41 is a lightweight, portable, highly reliable instrument. The purpose of this video is to provide you with an overview of the M41 and how it is used to evaluate the fit and serviceability of your protective mask. The PATS is easy to operate and quick to put into operation. The M41 can test the fit and function of the M40, M42, M45, and JSG-PM series masks. The M41 works by sampling the air. There are detectable concentrations of naturally occurring microscopic particles in the air. The M41 measures the concentration of these particles outside the mask and inside the mask and calculates a fit factor. Technically speaking, particles entering the system pass through a saturator tube where they are combined with alcohol vapor. These particles then pass into a condenser tube where alcohol condenses on them, causing them to grow into larger droplets. These droplets pass through a focused laser beam which produces flashes of light sensed by a photoconductor. The particle count or concentration is determined by counting the light flashes. The fit factor is the ratio of the particle concentration outside the mask to the concentration inside the mask. The minimum acceptable fit factor for operational field use is 1,667. This means for every 1,667 particles measured outside the mask, no more than one particle is allowed inside the mask. Since almost no particles can penetrate your mask filter, any particles found inside the mask can be attributed to face-to-mask seal leakage or an unserviceable mask. The major components of the PATS are the Protection Assessment Test Instrument with storage cap, the High-Efficiency Particulate Air Filter or HEPA filter, twin tubes assembly, alcohol fill capsules, alcohol cartridge with wick, reagent-grade isopropyl alcohol, AC adapter and battery, mask sampling kit, carrying case, operator's manual, and training circular. To set up the M41, you may use the lithium battery, the alkaline battery power supply, or the AC adapter, which operates on either 115 or 230 volts. Fill the alcohol capsule with 99.5% reagent-grade isopropyl alcohol to the fill line. Allow 1 minute for the alcohol wick to become saturated. Next, remove the storage cap and insert the alcohol cartridge into the M41. Place the storage cap on the alcohol fill capsule. Now, turn on the M41 PATS and allow the display to count down from 60. The standard protection factor number will appear. Then, press the count key. To determine if there are sufficient particles in the air to conduct the test, the display must read 1,000 particles per cubic centimeters or higher. Now do a zero check by attaching the HEPA filter to the sampler tube. If the system is working, the reading will go down to 0. An occasional reading of 0.60 is acceptable. Now press the system check key after the test is complete. A pass or fail message will appear. If the system check fails, refer to the troubleshooting section in your operator's manual. The HEPA filter is always installed except during the 60-second countdown when you are conducting a test or checking the particle count. After completion of the system check, press the Count button. To perform a fit factor test, first connect the drink tube sampling adapter to the quick disconnect on the mask to allow sampling from inside the mask. Direct the soldier to blow through the drink tube into a waste receptacle to remove any trapped fluids or foreign matter. Attach the clear end of the sample tube to the drink tube sampling adapter. Wait until a reading of 3.0 particles per cubic centimeter or less is obtained. The test consists of an exercise routine that takes about 5 minutes to run. The M41 displays the exercise number in progress and audibly signals when to start each exercise. Before beginning the sequence, explain each exercise to the soldier, then begin the exercise by pressing first the Fit Test button and then the Start Stop button. The first exercise is normal breathing. The second exercise is deep breathing. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Exercise 3 is turning your head from side to side in 1-second intervals. Exercise 5 is rotating your chin in a circular motion. Upon completion of the test, the M41 automatically computes the mask protection factor and displays a pass or fail message without any computation required by the operator. If the mask fails the test, refer to your operator's manual and TC 341 PATS for further instructions. As previously stated, the M41 can also be used to test the serviceability and protection provided by the M45 and JSG PM series protective masks. The same steps are used for testing the M45 as well as the M40 series mask. When you are finished testing, press the On-Off button. Remove the HEPA filter and remove the storage cap from the alcohol fill capsule. Next, remove the alcohol cartridge from the M41 and place it in the alcohol fill capsule. Replace the storage cap and run the instrument with the HEPA filter in place for 10 minutes to clear excess alcohol from the system. Shut off and repack all equipment in the carrying case. Using the M41 PATS, the unit NBC NCO can size, fit, and check the serviceability of protective masks more accurately and efficiently, and during periodic checks, offer continued assurance that the mask is providing adequate individual protection. As the operator of the M41 PATS, be sure that 1. Proper PMCS on the mask has been conducted prior to testing. 2. You do not use anything except 99.5% pure reagent-grade isopropyl alcohol. And 3. Soldiers do not smoke or eat for 60 minutes prior to the test.